Chapter 11. Motion and Measurement of Distances. On reopening of school, the teacher asked the students how they spent their summer vacations. She asked if anyone had gone out of the city during the summer vacation and how they travelled. Shailja visited her grandparents in Hyderabad. She, along with her parents, went by an aeroplane. Rahul went with his parents to Manali, a hill station, by their own car. Nikita travelled with her parents by train to Lucknow to spend a summer vacation in her maternal uncle's place. Based on these facts, we can understand that now we have different means of transport to travel to different places. But how did people in ancient time travel? Let us discuss. Story of transport. In ancient times, when no means of transport were available, people travelled mainly on foot and carried luggage on their back. After domestication of animals, human beings started using animals such as horses, camels and elephants for transportation and carried goods from one place to another. The invention of the wheel brought about many changes. Carts pulled by animals were used to travel from one place to another. Even today, in many villages of India, people use carts drawn by bullocks, horses and other animals to move about. The wheel is now the basis of all our vehicles: bicycles, scooters, cars and motorbikes. The invention of steam engine introduced a new source of power. It led to the development of trains and automobiles. Motorized ships were used as means of transport on water. These inventions greatly reduced the time to travel from one place to another. Today, electric trains, aeroplanes, supersonic jets, and high-speed automobiles have further reduced the time taken to travel from one place to another. Spaceships are used for transportation to outer space. Measurement. Measurement is one of the most important processes in science and in our daily life. We get up in the morning, get ready and go to school. At what time should we get up? How long we take to get ready? These questions are related to measurement of time. How much distance do we have to travel from our home to our school? This question is related to the measurement of length. When we buy fruits and vegetables, the shopkeeper measures the quantity. This is the measurement of mass. When we fall ill, the doctor measures our body temperature. Can you think of some more cases where you need to measure? Need of standard units of measurement. In earlier times, people used different parts of the body to measure length. The length of an object was made by using handspan, cubit, arm length, footstep called pace and foot, fathom, length of the outstretched arm as the unit to measure length. Handspan, cubit, footstep and other units based on the length of body parts are not accurate and reliable. They cannot be used as standard units of measurement as the length of the body parts vary from person to person. Therefore, people realized the need for standard units of measurement. Standard units of measurement are those that have a fixed quantity value and therefore do not vary from person to person and place to place. It is necessary to have standard units of measurements for the sake of uniformity and convenience in measurements. Activity 1. To measure the length of a table by using handspan. Things needed: a table. Method. We measure the length of a given table with our handspan. Handspan is the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully stretched hand. It is 8 handspans. We now ask our younger brother or sister to measure the length of the table by his or her handspan. Is it also 8 handspans? No, it is 10 handspans. Conclusion: This activity shows that handspan is not a reliable unit for measuring length.